let's be honest, no one really teaches you how to handle money, right? Not in school, not in most homes. But here's the truth. If you're a teenager in 2025, this is the best time to start learning how money really works. From saving and side hustles to investing and mindset, these 7 tips will help you get ahead before adulthood hits. Let's dive in. School is cool, but skills pay the bills. Learn how to edit videos, write content, design graphics, or use AI tools like ChatGPT. You don't need to wait till college. You can start today using YouTube or free courses. A solid skill can turn into your first job or even a business. You don't need to be 18 to earn. Start small, resell sneakers, flip thrift store finds, do homework help, or manage social media for small businesses. The internet gives you 100+ ways to make money without a degree. Saving sounds boring until you realize it gives you freedom. Whether it's lunch money or birthday cash, try saving 10 to 20%. Apps like Step or Greenlight are perfect for teens to manage money safely. You'll build discipline now that pays off later. Yeah, someone on your feed just bought new Jordans or got a PS5. That doesn't mean you need it too. Stop comparing. Everyone's life looks better online. Focus on your goals. That's how winners play the game. Use social media for more than scrolling. Share your projects. Start a TikTok page around your hobby. Build something that shows who you are. Colleges, jobs, and even brands notice this. A smart online identity is your superpower. You don't have to invest now, but you should start learning how it works. Understand terms like stocks, interest, compound growth. Try a free investment simulator like Stockpile or Investopedia games. You'll be way ahead of the curve. At your age, time matters more than money. Use it to build habits, experiment, fail, learn. You've got a head start most people only wish they had. Every minute you invest in yourself now multiplies your future. If you're still here, you're already different from the crowd. Be the team who builds, not just scrolls. Drop a bast win in the comments if you're ready to take control of your money in 2025. And don't forget to like, sub, and follow Dolla Drip for more real talk. See you in the next one.